So for whatever reason, this is a lot glossier than this. I guess it's a different paint job. This is a different quarter panel, I don't know. So just hit it with a little WD-40 like that. See how it all looks oxidized? And I'm gonna come over here. Look at all this, that really looks bad. We're gonna hit that with WD-40. And we're gonna hit this right down here. See how it just turns it darker? And we're just gonna wipe her down a little bit and scrub off all that stuff here. Look at that. So yeah, I'm gonna do the whole side of the truck like that. Well, them bugs are loud. Locusts. And the more you do it, the darker it gets. It just pulls that stuff out of there. And I don't recommend doing this to your vehicle if you really care about your paint. So look at that now. And it scrubs off all that scum. So I'm going to do the whole truck like that. I'm going to probably wash it first to get the initial scum off of there. Tree sap and that kind of stuff. But, and see up here, look at all this. See all that white crap? Look at this, watch. Just goes away just by WD-40. I use WD-40 for a lot of stuff. It's not the best lubricant, but it is a good cleaner. It's a really good cleaner. But yeah. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna wash the whole truck. Just like this spot right here, look at that. Got a mosquito eating me up. So I don't have much WD-40, but let's see if we got some on our rag here. Paper towel. Look at that. See this spot right here? Watch this. It's starting to dry. I need to hit it a little bit more. But yeah, maybe I'll tinker with that tomorrow when I get time. But yeah, look at this spot. So let's hit it with a little bit more WD-40 here. Got another can. We'll just do this whole thing right here while we're at it. We'll do that. See how that just turns black? And it even makes the chrome looking stuff shine better. So look at this. That's all white. Not anymore. All that stuff that's white is turning black now. So look at that. White. This is just WD-40. And then when you scrub on it, it rubs it in there. That's a cool thing about having a truck like this. It really doesn't matter. It's all scratched up and old. So it doesn't really matter when you do stuff like this. Just rub it in there. That stuff will come off. You can see all that film coming off of there. But yeah, I need to give this thing a good scrub. A good wash, and then hit it with WD-40. Look at that, right around there. It's all gone. This part that was all white looking, that's gonna take some work to scrub all that out, but it's a big difference. Back here, see all that white stuff? It'll come out. Yeah, and see that white spot right there? Watch this. Still got some WD-40 on my, all around the handles, all around the door. So if you're detailing, I used to detail back in the day to make a little extra corn when I was a teenager. We used to detail cars at the car wash. We used all kinds of stuff. On our own stuff, I used diesel. But the smell of it, just got WD-40 is a lot better. And plus WD-40 can be used for a lot of other things. But I don't want this video to be too long, but you get the idea. See this white stuff? Just pulls it right out and makes it go away. All that oxidized paint. Oh, look at all this. So there's rust and stuff here. I need to hit it and let it soak for a while, but it'll pull that out. See this white spot? I'm gonna have to hit that. That I'll probably have to lift off. Now this, the black paint's even completely gone, so that's not going to work for that. It'll work for this down here, but not where the paint's gone. It's not going to make it black. It'll turn it a darker color. But like this right here, I'm going to have to probably pull that clear coat off of there. And this right here is just going to make it a little bit darker. Well, it's feeding seasons for the skeeters. It'll pull this off. Hey, look at that. So this whole side, I need to do this whole side of the truck. Well, watch, I'll just go straight up and down right here. Look at that. Jet black. Now, how long it's going to last, I don't know. But I've done this before. But I haven't detailed this truck in a long time. See all this white stuff? Look, it's gone. So it's a neat little trick. If you got an old truck like this with the type of paint like I got, where you don't care about it, just hit it with some WD-40. All right, the skeeters are eating me up, and I haven't eaten anything today, and it's what, 7 or 8? So I need to eat something before I get too grumpy. But yeah, look at this. All that white looking stuff, gone. Gone. I'll probably do it with a brush first, and then come back. But yeah, look at the difference. And that's just a sloppy job. You know, that's just me showing you how to do this. So, like, share, and subscribe.